Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start. What is a chat GPT? The new things in the market. So let's start and watch what is chat GPT. The chat GPT is one new technology which is based on OpenAI. You know what is OpenAI. So let's start it a video and you know that what is chat GPT. So let's talk about ChatGPT, and there is some question which we asked to ChatGPT in the ChatGPT. Okay, so there is a four question which we see in this video. So if you are ready, so let's start. So our first question is write 1 to 10. So first open our ChatGPT and try ChatGPT. Oh, great, it's opening now. And now let's ask our first question. Write 1 to 10 and let's send. What is this? You request to model but not compatible. Okay, let me refresh this. Okay, okay, so I got the answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 10. So do you like this thing? So let's ask other question which is write A to Z alphabet. So let's ask GPT to this question. So I go to the tab, okay, and ask the question. Please write. Let me wait and check that what's happening. Okay, so whole alphabet is written by ChatGPT. So do you like it? So please like this video. Okay, so now we ask another question. Make a program of pyramid using C language. So let's ask to again to ChatGPT. This is a very good thing for developers, designers, and also the students. Okay, so let's start. Make a program of pyramid. Now see what happening here. Okay, so I think ChatGPT started giving the answers, and there is a totally C program. ChatGPT used the for loop. So do you like this? So you also use this ChatGPT, which URL is chat.openai. Okay, this is wonderful answer provided by ChatGPT. And now our last question, which is a table of a 9. So let's ask again to ChatGPT to write the table of a 9, which we learn in 10th and 12th. The table of 9. So wait for a just while and see what's happening. Okay, so the ChatGPT giving the answer. So whatever is 9 is mathematical concept which is number 1 to 9. Okay, table of 9 using